Good morning, my name is Shreya Patidar. In this video, we will cover internal to section C, deep learning. Question number 26. Deep learning is a specialized subset of space machine learning. As deep learning uses the neural networks and the large databases, so it is the subset of machine learning. Question number 27. Neural network are the universal space of functions. Answer of the question is approximators, as they can approximate any function with enough neurons. Question number 28. A network with more than one hidden layer is termed as space neural network. Here, answer of the question is deep neural network, as we know that deep neural network refers to the hidden layer or multiple layers. Question number 29. Each layer's output becomes the next layer space. Answer of the question is input. As data flows layer by layer, so our output becomes the input for the next layer. Question number 30. CNNs are mainly used for space classification, as here CNN stands for convolutionally neural network, which is used for image processing and pattern recognition. So answer of the question is image. RNN handles the data with strong space dependencies. The answer of the question is sequential, as RNN stands for rec- recurrent neural network, as it is used to design to handle the sequential data like text, speech, or time series. Question number 32. LSTM is an improved version of a space network. The full form of LSTM is long short term memory. The answer of the question is RNN, as LSTM help us to solve the long term memory problem with the help of RNN. Question number 33. In a GN, the second model act as space distinguishing real and the fact, fact data. The answer is discriminator. It evaluates the generator's output. Question number 34. Reusing a pre-trained model for a related task is called space learning. The answer of the question is transfer, as it saves the training time and improves the accuracy. Question number 35. The wide part of a wide and deep model helps specific example. Answer of the question is memorize, as it captures the rules and exceptions. Question number 36. The deep part captures more space features. Answer of the question is general features. Learns broad and abstract pattern, as it learns the broad and abstract patterns. Question number 37. Linear classifier combines inputs with space and space to perform prediction. The answer of the question is weights and bias. These components determine the output value. 38. Activation functions introduce space into neural model. Answer of the question is non-linearity. Explanation, as it enables the model to learn the complex relationship. Question number 39. Adding neurons or hidden layers increase the model space. Answer of the question is capacity, as the higher capacity enables the learning model more complex patterns. Question number 40. Transfer learning leverages space features learned from prior tasks. Answer of the question is pre-learned, as it uses knowledge gained earlier. Thank you.